is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. It's that time of year when Thanksgiving is almost here. And every year I do a whole roast turkey. But this year I decided to do turkey parts. I'm going to make smothered turkey wings and drumstick. That's what's going to be jumping in my pot today. Let's get to it. Let's get to the ingredients. Salt, onion powder, Worcestershire sauce, sage, garlic powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, cayenne pepper, thyme, chicken stock, minced garlic, all-purpose flour, bay leaf, olive oil. I have in here minced bell pepper and celery. And in this bowl, I have minced onions and scallions. This here is the turkey parts. I've already washed them in lemon juice and rinsed them in cold water several times. Now, this is the next step. I've placed the turkey in the roasting pan, and we're going to take the seasoning that I mixed together and sprinkle it over the turkey parts. And we're going to rub everything in it, all the seasoning into the meat. Then we're going to add the minced garlic. Let me add a little paprika. And some sage. Then we're going to put some olive oil over the top. And we're going to rub all of this in. Now, what we're going to do is add the bay leaf. And then over the top, we're going to add the onions over the top of it and the scallions. And the green peppers and the celery. Now, what we do next is we take some foil and we cover the top with foil paper and put it in the oven and let it roast for about an hour. And then after that, we're going to take it out and make the gravy. The oven is set to 375 degrees. Now let's make the gravy while the turkey is cooking in the oven. We're going to add the butter here into this pot and let it melt. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now that the butter has heated, melted, we're going to add the garlic and the onions. We're going to let this saute up for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now we're going to add some sage, black pepper, paprika, Worcestershire sauce, and a little salt. Then we add the flour, and we let this cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now we're going to add the chicken stock. And we're going to let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it thickens. I just taken the turkey out of the oven. Now we're going to let the gravy jump all over the turkey. Now we're going to put it back in the oven and let it bake for 40 to 50 minutes. There you have it. Smothered turkey wings and drumsticks. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.